Okay, so waiting for this furnace to fire up. Got a LED indicator light which is on. Also, if it was the flash, it would tell you what those possible faults are. Could be anything from a safety being closed, inducer motor failing, pressure switch not closing, no gas, flame sensor not working. So wait for this to come on. First thing that's going to come on is this inducer is going to come on. The safety switch is going to prove that the inducer is working and nothing is blocking in the vent. Then it's going to send the signal down to the board that the inducer is working, pressure switch did close. Then it's going to ignite this igniter. Once the igniter ignites, then you got this flame sensor here that proves the flame. And the flame, there we go. So the inducer's on. The switch is going to prove that the inducer is working. Once it proves, it sends it down to the board, the circuit board, which is in there. Once the circuit board proves, then the igniter will come on. Once the igniter fully ignites, the gas valve will open up, send gas through this manifold here, ignite it. Flame sensor will sense the flame, sending the signal back to the gas valve to remain open. And after about 30 to 90 seconds, once this all heats up inside the heat exchanger, then the actual fan will run. So let's give it a little bit. Just heard it click. Now you hear the fan. So that's pretty much it. And it'll continue to run until it satisfies that thermostat. Given that the filter's clean, it's not dirty, it's not going to cause us to cut out on high limit. So that's pretty much it.